Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Father. Oh, thank you, Father. And blessed is the name of the Most High God. Closer than a brother. Children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren, hold them in the palm of your hands. My Jesus is to me. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High God shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. A little more oil in my lamp, keep it burning. Sonny, bring a little piece of the chicken for me, the leg. God, you are good, you are good, you are good. You're a good God. Just a closer walk with thee. Janet, come go shop. Listen to me now. Me need you to buy 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, and 1 ginger oil. You hear me? Yes, mama. What me say you to buy? 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, 1 ginger oil. 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, 1 ginger oil. 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, and 1 ginger oil. 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, 1 ginger oil. 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, 1 ginger oil. 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, 1 ginger oil. 2 pounds of flour, 1 sardine, 1 ginger oil. Miss Donna? Good afternoon, Miss Donna. Beg you 3 grate of cake, 1 bag juice, and half pound of rice.
Every Jamaican parent's motivational speech.
You see, when me was your age, 14, me have my house already. And me have to get up 1 o'clock every morning and water the cow them. And me have to tie out the goat them. Then me have to feed the hog them and clean out the fowl coop. After that, me have to go down a mango walk. And I know 2 o'clock yet. And carry up the mango them kongi dada. When me carry up the mango them kongi dada now, me have to get ready to go to school. Barefoot. And me send my little brother go to school. Me get scholarship. And me work and send my little brother go to school. Then now by the time Miss Dandy fi give me little breakfast, fi catch up me to work, me fi left out the house. I walk 15 miles, go school, without no breakfast. When the pandemic hit, is me them calling her. Because what happened? The earth stop spin on its axis. And the rest of planet them drop. So now the CDC call me to provide a solution for the situation. So I had to go to the world meeting, take airplane and those things, because in those times it's airplane we used to take. It's not like now when we teleport. Remember I came here at 9 o'clock this morning and my finger didn't come until 9:30. That was a little weird. Give thanks anyhow. And when I sit down in front of the world leader, everybody will look for me. I'm wondering, where is this Jamaican going? First thing I said to the world leader is that the herb is the healing of the nation. So I give them the solution. When they implement my solution, as succumbs, the world start back and everything all right.
When a Jamaican who lives in the U.S. visits their Jamaican country home church.
Then I wish she had doing a knee-high boot and Jamaica hot. I think she have fasciitis. Then she really go foreign go catch foreign sickness? Connecticut she live. She no look good at all. You sure no Kingston she go and think of foreign? Sure come. Hello. Oh, hi Keisha. You look so good. You have a husband as yet? Hi. Oh, no. I own my own business. Oh, you're lonely? No, I'm an entrepreneur. Oh, you only trap manure. Mavis. Well, don't give up. You have any kids? Yeah, I've got my daughter. Outside of wedlock? Well, I guess that's how the young people do it these days. You bring anything for the church building fund? Remember, we want to extend the baptism pool. Then how you look so mager? Time is on. Oh, my sinus. Look at Vicks. Putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. Marva, come, we're ready. Mommy, where must I put this? Aw, good question, sweetheart. Just put it in the cupboard underneath the bathroom sink for me. Come put it on my head. No, I know that if you do. Box me with it. Shove it down my throat. Take it and lick me across my back. Yeah, man. Pachi. Pachi, oi. Pachi, my boy. What? You asleep? Hello, my darling daughter. How you doing, sweetheart? You can't call your papa. Me see you put up picture on Facebook. But what a way you fat like cut puss. You can't get up a man in time to how you fat. Woo! You do your PhD as yet? When you getting your PhD? How is your relationship with the Lord? I hope you've been going to church. Your papa can't see so good out time right there, you know. Me go to Dr. Balin. And doctor said this, doctor said that, doctor said Tara and Nara. Horse dead and cow fat. How is work, my darling? Don't run down married. Married and not something for run down. You saving up your money? So when you come look for your piece of old papa, Daddy loves you, my darling sweetheart. Remember the Lord in all that you do. Because heaven sound is sweet. Alright, me gone. That is a very good question. I am glad you asked. So what basically happened? Don't ask me no stupid question. Yeah, idiot. Hush up your mouth. Empty barrels make the most noise. Go ask me foolishness. Go take up your book. All of them ramping what you do out of door make you not have no sense. You're not going to walk listen your palm, you know. Don't spat. Okay, honey, so you are at a tender age in which you experience puberty, but there's nothing to worry about. We're gonna work through it and we're gonna talk. Can't no picnic come in here, you see. And you will find out how water walk go a pumpkin belly. Not under my roof. You want to do big people things? Pack up and sit in them and move out and buy your own house. You're too force ripe. Go take up your book. Morning. Pay attention to the exam. Don't look at me. Andrew. Just checking if you need any more of the exam. Oh, sorry, but focus. Do you need any more of the answer sheet? Because the print room printed some of the question paper without the answer sheet. I have some right here if you need it. You need any of the answer sheet? No, we're okay. Just quiet. All right, that's all right. Good. All right. Good luck on the exam, guys. All right, it's good. What that you eat? Chicken. That look dry. Would I never eat nothing like that? Then you know the long way you go? Let me taste this. This not taste good at all. Oh, you mean for waste my food, some man? Me never taste it good. Let me taste a little piece more. No fire, some man. Me not like it. Mr. Stop waste my food. I want you. One more piece. No. Go away from bowl, man. Just let me eat in peace, no? Please. Just let me eat in peace, no? Alright. Just give me one more piece so I can taste it properly. Me said don't waste my... Watch the TV, I know. Oh, gosh. Why? Sharon! Yes, Mama? Come get the broom and come kill the lizard. No! But, Mama, I'm afraid of the lizard, too. Stop it, nice and don't make me have nothing in here. Mama, where the lizard there? Sharon, where is the lizard? Right there. But anybody see me die in trial? Sharon, you're pregnant? No, Mama. Then how lizard drop on you? Me no know, Mama. Lord of His mercy, lizard drop on Sharon. What me I gonna do? The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management has issued a hurricane warning. Hurricane. No storm now come here, so Jamaica is a God-blessed country. No storm can come here. We advise all persons to stock up on non-perishable. Look how the sun bright. Look on sky. Let us treat this with the utmost urgency. All we have to do is just pray, and it just turn back the storm in a different direction. You hear me? Lord have mercy. You know, say it look like the hurricane a come fit through. Out a door dark like midnight. Come, we have to go shop, go buy this something them quick. Well, we have to be keys. Need the bullet beef and serve. Oh gosh, you hear about the sound want come? Hello? Serve here. Hi, serve. You don't hear about the hurricane that's coming? Did you know that hand washing have a sound? Of course. All me make you know is if you can't scrub see, your clothes not wash clean. Okay, we will just leave that there. I think this is clean now. You get me?